There are 365 days in an year. That number feels ordinary until we realize that it also represents 365 chances to either repeat yesterday or move slightly beyond it. Most of us do not think about improvement this way. We imagine progress as something visible, something noticeable, a breakthrough we can point to. But that expectation is exactly what makes improvement feel difficult to sustain. If nothing meaningfully changes from day to day, the math is simple. 1 raised to the power of 365 is still 1. An year passes, effort may have been spent, but the trajectory stays flat. Not because we failed, but because repetition alone does not compound. Now consider a different idea. Not reinvention, not intensity, just a 1% improvement. 1% better understanding than yesterday. 1% better focus. 1% better judgment. So small, it barely registers in the moment. But when 1% compounds over an year, the outcome is not subtle. 1.01 raised to the power of 365 becomes 37.78. Yes, you heard it right, 37.78. Not twice as effective, not 5 times, 37 times. Of course, real life does not follow clean math. No one improves every day. Some days stall, some days move backward. But that does not break the principle, because progress does not require perfection, it requires direction. As long as the average trend moves upward, time does the heavy lifting. This is why continuous improvement feels unimpressive day to day, but startling in hindsight. Nothing seems to change until suddenly everything has. Productivity is not about force, it is about alignment, choosing a direction that makes sense and nudging yourself toward it often enough that time compounds the effort for you. The real question is not, can I transform my life this year? It is quieter than that. What small improvement am I willing to repeat even when it does not feel meaningful yet? Because time does not respond to motivation, it responds to consistency. Small changes compound, direction decides the outcome. This is Kaizen Smarter, where science meets wonder, curiosity meets clarity, insight finds expression, and thought meets action. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel Kaizen Smarter.